Derek from the Olive Oil Co. 5 years ago on the Amalfi Coast of Italy, we had this, and tonight we are having pasta carbonara. This is a very easy recipe, although it is time sensitive because you want to make sure that you serve it right away to your guests. We're doing this for 4 people. All you need for ingredients is I've already cut up 3/4 cups of pancetta from La Bottega in Brantford. They're just a couple doors down the strip mall from us in Brantford. We have 3 tablespoons olive oil, which you'll need for cooking up the pancetta in. I've also done a third cup Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. You need a little extra for a little sprinkle at the end there. We also have 4 eggs that I've whipped up in a bowl. We're using a full bag of Linguine Pasta. What we have in store now though is we only have fettucine and spaghetti. You could easily use either of those 2 pastas. And we're just going to add a little bit of hot pepper flakes. So first we're just going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. Or again, we're using the Barnea, the beautiful mild extra virgin olive oil from Australia. Alright, so we got this on high. We're just adding the pancetta to the pan. Get those nice and cooked. So as the pancetta is cooking, all we're doing is adding the Parmigiano Reggiano to the egg. Pretty simple. Get a nice mixture going on there. So we've cooked the pancetta to almost crispy. It's not fully cooked yet, but our water is boiling for our pasta, so let's get some salt in there. Get our pasta in there as well. So we're going to let that pasta cook on close to high for about 9 to 10 minutes, or as the bag describes. In the meantime, we had a good friend of ours, Kathy from the Jelly Girls, drop off some snacks. So we're going to try the dilly asparagus spears. I'm a huge asparagus fan myself. It smells really good. Have a little bit of mustard in there. Ooh, these are good. I feel like using these on sandwiches would be really nice. Ham and cheese. That'd be amazing. Again, if you want to check them out, the Jelly Girls here in Brantford. They also have Our Kitchen Brantford. It's a place where you can go and cook meals, have parties. It's a great spot, and you got to check out the food they can make as well for lunches. So our pasta is almost too al dente. As we said before in our other video, you want to make sure that it's not too hard, not too soft. We're also cooking with wine, as you can see. I'm drinking a nice 2018 Riesling from Creekside in the Jordan area. It's a beautiful, crisp Riesling. It tastes exactly like a Granny Smith apple. So this is where time is really an important thing. We have the pancetta back on medium heat. We've added our chili flakes to that. What you want to do is get some of your pasta water, good ladle's worth, because this you're going to be adding to the sauce to make it nice and creamy. So the pancetta's up to heat. We want to get our pasta in there. Nice and glossy from the pancetta fat. You want to take it off heat. Add in your egg mixture. Keep turning it as the egg goes in. You don't want it to cook the egg too much. You want to make sure it's nice and creamy. Working up a sweat. To make it even more creamy, you just want to add a couple tablespoons of your pasta water. It's looking beautiful. So the egg will cook with the pasta. So in case you're wondering if it's okay to put egg this way, it definitely is. Now for the plating. I'm by no means a fancy chef. Let's start with that. Add a little bit of extra Parmigiano Reggiano on top. Just a little bit just to get that nice cheesy taste. Look at how beautiful that looks. I am so excited. My parents are excited, especially my mom, because carbonara is like one of her all-time favorites. Let's take a bite, see how it is. Get back here, pancetta. Oh. Takes me back. This is so delicious. Really nice with the Riesling, actually. It's approved by me. I think it's going to be approved by Mom, too. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. We'll see you guys next time. It's Derek from the Alt. There was a bit of a stagger there. It's Derek from the Alt. It's Derek. All you need for ingredients is pasta. We're using linguine. You could very easily use the fettucine or spaghetti that we sell in store. I said fettuccine really weird. We have we have a 1/3 cup and now for the plating. It's not beautiful. Just trying to get fancy. I'm just gonna, nope. Gonna have to do the second plate.